YouTubers, welcome back to my channel. And this is a very cold day in Queenstown. It's really cold. I'm just trying to keep warm with my hot water bottle with the heater, and I just keep on drinking my hot water because I'm just not coping with this weather. It's so cold. Queenstown is forever cold, but like it's worse this year. It's like it's just, I don't know, because maybe it's because of this virus. It has made things worse. It's so cold. So now we are trying to keep warm. But regardless, I still continue with my season of Chuma the Attorney. I'm really enjoying this season because it's my passion. Being an attorney is actually my passion. It's one of the things that I love doing, that I can do paid or not paid. Do you understand? Because the reason why I say paid or not paid, because I've worked at legal aid, I've worked for non-paying clients, even though I was earning, but then still we were working for clients that were not paying. But now it was still a beautiful job. Even now that I get paid for my work, it's still beautiful. I still do pro bono matters that I just do out of passion and out of the love of people. But it's not all about that. It's all about loving what you do and living from what you love doing. Do you understand? So now, we were busy the last time talking about my journey of becoming an attorney. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I really hope that you're doing well and you keeping safe in this cold weathers, and that you're keeping safe from COVID-19, and you're sanitizing, you're using your masks and whatnot. I've got my mask right here, and unfortunately it's messed up with makeup and whatnot. We really don't know how to cope with this COVID-19. We don't know whether to just go as you are, because the mask will mess up everything, your lipstick, your everything, and our hands are just something else because you keep on sanitizing now and again. Our hand creams get finished within no time, so it's really frustrating, but we're trusting God that this will be over within no time, and we're just keeping our leaders in our prayers because they are busy doing the best they can to help the citizens and whatnot. So now today we'll be continuing. You heard how I became an attorney, the studying part of it and everything like that. So now I'm gonna be talking about steps in starting your own law firm, because you understand the last time that before I got admitted, I worked at legal aid for 2 years, and then that was it. That was the last time I got employed actually. And so after legal aid, I started hustling like any other graduate or job seeker, because I wanted now a permanent job. I just wanted to practice as an attorney. I just wanted to, because now I was already educated with law and whatnot, and I was already admitted as an attorney of the High Court of the land. And then I'm thinking to myself, then I need to work, because we all know we get these qualifications to work. It's not, the main purpose is not working, but it's making money. We all know that we want money. So I wanted money from my hard work in studying, from my sweat. I wanted to make money. So now the next step was hustling. I hustled. I applied for jobs. I applied for legal aid. They always motivated us and encouraged us to put our CVs in the legal aid website, that it's easy for them to take candidates that already worked there. Do you understand? But now it wasn't easy at all. Though I hustled. I think I hustled for like how many years? Because I finished at legal aid in end of 2014. So 2015, 2016, I was hustling. For 2 full years, I was doing it's not like I was doing nothing. I wasn't receiving anything from my qualification. I wasn't receiving any money from my expertise. So I was applying here and there. I was applying even to, once you become admitted and you stand a chance of becoming many things at law. Do you understand? When you are a lawyer, you can do a lot of things. You don't just become an attorney. It's broad. You can become a legal advisor. You can become a maintenance officer. You can become a prosecutor, a public prosecutor, work for the NPA. You can become, what else? A legal advisor, work for municipalities and all those places. And you can be a lecturer. You don't even have to be admitted to be a legal advisor and a lecturer. You can be, there's plenty of things that you can do. You can be a legal researcher. You can be, what do they call us at CCMA? But then we just sit there and there's a term for that, I just forgot. So you can do a lot of things. Law is broad, it's not limited to one thing. Especially when you're admitted, you can do a lot of things. Do you understand? You can become, that big company secretary and just get these big posts and whatnot. So I was busy applying in all these places. I was applying. I wanted just any law job that will put food on the table, that will give me money, because I want money. Money has always been my drive. You understand? Because money makes the world go round. You make things happen when you have money. It's all about money. Like we always say, the only thing that the Bible doesn't want is the love for money, when you're being controlled by money. But the Bible has nothing against having money. You understand? So now I hustled. I was called for interviews. You know how it goes. The job seeking is strenuous. It's frustrating. I just want to say, for those that are job seeking out there, I just want to say, I feel you. I feel your pain. It's frustrating. It can drive you to depression. But you must always have hope that something will come up one day. You understand? And never, ever, ever stop trying. So now, for me, the only thing that made me stop applying for jobs was that God gave me an idea that, you know what? I'm qualified. I am a full attorney. I'm an admitted attorney. So why should I keep hustling for something that I can make for myself, like I can do for myself? Like I'm applying to law firms, I'm applying to legal aid, I'm applying to all these places that I can try to make it my own. Do you understand? So then my husband and I decided that, you know what, if this thing can work, if my husband said, if you convince me that it can work, if you have it in you that you can start your own law firm, then go for it. I was like, whoa, that's my man. And then, so what is important when you want to start your own law firm is the conviction and the confidence that you can do it, and the support system is very important. So now I decided that, you know what, I'm done applying for jobs. I'm done. I will never ever apply for any job in my life. I'm starting my own law firm. So now, what is important then when you start your own law firm? Number one, you must attend and pass the practice management course. There's you're gonna forgive me, there's a lot of studying in law. Like you have to write exams for everything. You have to study for everything that you need to do in law. So now you have to attend a 6 months practice management course, because you're gonna now manage your own law firm. Do you understand? You're gonna manage your own firm. You're not gonna be employed. You are gonna be your own boss. So you need to have completed this course. We call it PMT. So now I attended that course for 6 months. I was attending in East London, because I stay in Queenstown, Eastern Cape. So I attended for 6 months, and then I completed the course, and then I received my certificate for the course. Then I was good to go. Secondly, in the process, you don't even need to have finished the the course, the PMT, for you to start number 2, because number 2 is you need to register a personal liability company. You don't just register any kind of company when you want to start your own law firm. They want you to specifically the Law Society, of which now is the Legal Practice Council. They want you to start a personal liability company. Do you understand? And then there is number 3. You open a business trust account. You open a business account that will have a separate trust account, because all law firms need to have that. You go to any banking institution that will allow you to open that, and then they tell you that while your firm is not yet registered with them, the LPC, you need to specify that at the bank that the account needs to be dormant, because you can't operate until they give you a go-ahead. And then number 4, you apply now for a fidelity certificate. A fidelity certificate is a certificate that is required at court, that you get it annually. It gives you a go-ahead to practice, to attend court, to go and represent people at court and whatnot. So now you apply for that, for that year that you're opening a firm. You apply for a fidelity fund certificate, and then you pay, at that time it was 1,000 rands to get the very first one, and then you get it for free for the following years. So I don't know how much it is now. And then number 5, you register with FIC, the Financial Intelligence Center. You register with them. You must be FIC compliant if you're going to start your own law firm. And number 6, you must look for an office space. That will be, do you understand? I said at first you need a lot of support. You need to have a financial support, a financial backup. You need to have capital. Do you understand? Because if you do not have that money, you will be frustrated. So you need to make sure that you have your office space that you're going to, no matter how cheap the rent will be, just a space for you to be able to sit and have your computer and start working and meet up with your clients. As for me, I did it at my house. I made my own office space at my house, and in the lounge, I did a setup there. I put my office table, my chair, my files, my computer, my phone, and everything. I just started there, and then that was it. So I would meet up with my clients, either at restaurants or at what, but it's just how I started, and it worked out beautifully. Though it was hard, it was frustrating, but it came out all right, because that's how I started, and yeah, we are here now. And all right, number 7, you must have a laptop, it's very important to have a laptop, otherwise you'll be a frustrated attorney. You go around borrowing people's laptops and asking to just type this, whatnot, because we do a lot of drafting as attorneys, so you will be frustrated if you start a law firm without a laptop. Number 8, you need internet connection. You need to have your own Wi-Fi, or whichever way that you're going to use, as long as you're going to be connected through the internet, because we do a lot of research. There's no attorney that doesn't do research. You must research. You must always know your story. Even when you go to court, you must always research. All right, number 9, 1 or 2 clients. When you're going to start your own law firm, make sure you push that you must have 1 or 2 clients in mind, and speak to them and tell them that, you know what, I'm gonna help you with 1, 2, and 3. I'm starting my own firm. Let's go for it. And if you do a case well, they will tell the next person, and the next thing, you will be having 3 clients, 4 clients, 5 clients, and the rest will be history. So at least make sure you have 1 or 2 clients that you're going to speak to. And number 10, you must make sure that you have a finance plan. You must have a finance plan. Though I understand that it's hard for us as a black child, it's hard for as black kids, that we normally don't have backup. At home, instead of giving you capital, they want money from you, they push you. In fact, it's the reason why a lot of people go into depression and whatnot, because the situation at home is not nice. They're looking up to you and you are struggling yourself. So now you are trying to make things happen. Now you're starting your own law firm and whatnot. They want food from you, and you would really like some assistance, like even if it's 30 or 40,000 rands for you to just stand. Do you understand? To rent like a few months, and then to have office furniture, to have law books, because you need a lot of these statutes. Do you understand? It's not only you don't only get those in the internet. You need to have your own law books that you're going to use, the statutes, the law reports and whatnot. So you need to make sure you purchase all those. So not having money, not having a financial plan is frustrating. I know, trust me. Though I had my husband, I still have my husband as my backup or whatnot. But it's frustrating to always have to ask for this and that. But if you do have someone like that, I would suggest that you speak to them and then you just go for it, because sitting at home hoping for something that is not coming, it's frustrating and it's killing a lot of people. There's many suicides, there's many people that go into mental institution, hospitals, and it's not nice to see people dying. People have heart attacks and whatnot, strokes and all these stress related sicknesses. It's because of the stress. Hustling can cause stress. Job seeking, if I may say, it can cause stress. So now if you know you've got someone that can assist you with finance, just make sure that you present your case well to that person. You speak to that person. It may be a friend, it may be a relative, it may be a spouse, it may be a business person that you know. Make sure you present your story very well, because unfortunately, I'm going to be addressing a black child now and again. We even struggle with things that they always say there's government funding, there's whatnot, and then when you go knock in these places, it's a struggle on its own. You go knock and you become this stupid, because from this door they refer you to another one, from that one you wait and wait and wait. So now if there's a story, make sure that you have your plan on paper and you present it very well. Someone out there might hear your story, someone out there might believe in you, someone out there might actually be touched by God to actually fund whatever it is that you want to start, even if it's not a law firm. But I tell you, never ever lose hope. Never ever lose hope, and do not be scared to start your own thing. Do not be scared to start your own firm. Don't live to make money for people, but turn it around. Make money for yourself. It is possible. It's happening. We are here now, and we believe God that we're still going very far as Chuma Hlengani and Partners. I believe God that I will be one of the top attorneys in the land, because I believe in God and I believe in the strength that He has given me. I have confidence in myself. God wouldn't just give me expertise without giving me provision, without trusting me that I can do it. So now I'm going to encourage you law students, I'm going to encourage you law graduates, that you know what? This thing is possible. It's doable. Please don't be scared. Go for it. Black child, you're on your own. You can do it. Thank you so much, and don't forget to subscribe, to like the video, to comment, and to even share the video. Up until the next one, we are still continuing with Chuma the attorney. The next one will be very, very, very interesting. I love you so much. God bless you. Bye. Keep safe and warm.